We bought several types of rosemary, and this one is completely dead. It still could be used in food, like added to the stuff you're going to prepare for food, and it is called shimmering stars. So I know that as beautiful, and excuse the broken tag, as beautiful as it is, I am not buying another one just like this. However, there's another one that made it very nicely. This other rosemary is perfectly healthy. It is exactly in the same flower bed, perhaps got a couple of more hours a day of sunlight. And I broke the tag earlier when I was checking it, but it's called Rosemary Gorizia. I am buying more of these and planting them everywhere because after this crazy weather, all you want to do is coming back to seeing at least some success. This is the same type of rosemary as the other one. So as you can see, it's pretty much the only thing that survived. This was actually more exposed to the elements. And that is a lantana. But I know from previous experience that the lantana will come back no matter what. And this is my poor echinacea, which is supposed to be deer resistant, but as you can see, the deer around here didn't get the memo. However, I have been sprinkling today many things with the dead rosemary. All the little dead parts of it, I have been spreading them on other plants because deer don't like the smell of the rosemary.